In our previous videos, we explored how Earth is getting hotter, how food chains connecting all living things, and why nature loses most of its energy. But today, we are going to uncover another hidden secret of nature, one that works silently beneath our feet every single day. Imagine walking through a beautiful forest, tall trees sway in the wind, birds sing from the branches, deer move quietly through the grass. Everything looks alive and healthy. But then a strange questions come to your mind. What happens to all the fallen leaves? What happens to dead trees, dead animals, and all the waste produced by the living things? Year after year, millions of leaves fall from trees. Animals die, plants disappearing. If nothing removed them, the entire forest would eventually become buried under mountains of dead material. Yet, somehow, nature never seems to run out of space. Where does it all go? The answer lies in a hidden army that most people never notice. Beneath the leaves, inside the soil, and even on dead wood, millions of tiny workers are constantly at work. These workers are called decomposers. Fungi, bacteria, worms, and many other small organisms quietly break down dead plants and animals into tiny pieces. Imagine a leaf falling from a tree. At first, it looks like nothing is happening, but slowly fungi begin growing on it. Bacteria start feeding on it. Tiny insects chew through it. Day after day, the leaf becomes smaller and smaller until it finally disappearing into the soil. But it doesn't really disappear. The nutrients inside that leaf are released back into the ground. Soon, a nearby tree absorbs those nutrients through its roots. The same nutrients that once belonged to an old leaf now help create a new leaf. Nature is recycling itself. Now, imagine if decomposers suddenly vanished from earth, dead plants and animals would begin piling up everywhere. Nutrients would become trapped inside dead material and could no longer return to the soil. Plants would struggle to grow. Herbivores would lose their food source. Predators would lose their prey. Eventually, entire food chain could collapse. The hidden workers that most people never think about are actually helping every ecosystem survive. In a way, decomposers are nature's cleanup crew, recycling center, and nutrient factory all at the same time. Every forest, grassland, river, and farm depends on them. Even the food we eat today is connected to their work. The nutrients in fruits, vegetables, and grains have often passed through countless cycles of decomposers over many years. So, the next time you see a fallen leaf, a piece of rotting wood, or mushrooms growing after a rain, remember that you are looking at one of nature's most important processes. While lions hunt, trees grow, and birds fly across the sky, an invisible army is working quietly in the background, making life can continue. And perhaps that's the most amazing part. Some of the most important heroes are on earth are the ones we almost never see. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed uncovering hidden role of decomposers, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating stories about secrets of nature.